Alright, Banks 101, we're still on YouTube. So we're just out here finishing up some work on the oil change on the 200. So we about to go ahead and get this boat off. Right here. 16, 17 or something. Hold on. Alright y'all, we got an oil filter set up. It's a 15, 16. I'm gonna get this loose and yeah, alright. Alright y'all, we got our oil filter taken off. Plastic, y'all. Why they put plastic and heat together, y'all? Alright y'all, so as I shoot the oil filter go in. See that, y'all? Oh my god. Alright y'all, let me go get the old one out there first. Be right back. Alright y'all, we back. We got our oil filter on. C11665 for the Chryslers. Alright y'all, so we left our old one up. God dog. Alright y'all, hold on 1 second. Alright y'all, we back. Just make sure y'all push your oil filter all the way in. That way you can attach to this part up here. This part right here. Put this back on. Make sure it's lined up even. Wait a minute, just hit it. We get a torque on the y'all, but right now we just gonna run it all the way back down like this. See, like that? See that? We won't put no more than that on there. Alright y'all, so we finna go back underneath and tidy our screw back up. Oh my goodness, y'all. So the oil needs to look when it's going in, y'all. Four and a half course drained out, y'all. Alright, y'all, the jack is off. I'm gonna start it up and let the oil circulate for a minute. Alright, y'all, start up. Yeah, we gotta set our oil change lights. Alright. Holla. Alright y'all, we're just re-verifying that we got enough oil in here. So 6 quarts ain't enough, y'all. So what's going on with these manufacturers in these oil? Saying they're supposed to be that amount and it ain't that amount. Let's say I stop and grab some more oil tomorrow, y'all. See, 6 quarts in.